Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on your Aura Ring app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn on notifications. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Oura Ring app. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, you want to click on the hamburger icon. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Settings, then click on Notifications. Now, this is where you can toggle on or off notifications. So right now, I have all my notifications on. And then the next thing you need to do is you want to go into the settings option of your iPhone. And then from this page here, you want to scroll down, then click on notifications again. And then from here, you want to find the Oura Ring app. And then just make sure that allow notifications is turned on. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on notifications for the Oura Ring app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.